Alright, in this movie we'd like to talk about orders of magnitude. Orders of magnitude really just mean where is the measurement or the number close to on the number line, and we mean that by orders of 10. So is it closer to the number 0? Is it closer to the number 1? Is it closer to the number 10? Is it closer to the number 100 or 1,000 or 10,000? What number is it closest to? And the easiest way, of course, to do this is just to always put your number into scientific notation and then just see what the exponent is on the 10. And that will be what we call your order of magnitude. So this first number here, if we look at this, I could put it in scientific notation. It would be 3 times 10 to the 8th, or 3e8. A lot of times instead of times 10 we use e. 3e8. And so the order of magnitude is an 8. Whatever on the times 10, the exponent on the times 10 is an 8. So it's closest to which number down here in the bottom? Well, it's closest to 1e8, a really big number. If you look at the next one, it's already into scientific notation. So I said it's the exponent of the 10, so you might think that it's negative 35. The problem is that this digit here is greater than 5. And so what that does, whenever this digit out here, when you put it inside notation, whenever this digit out here, if it's greater than 5, it'll round your exponent up. So it's not negative 35, it's actually negative 34. Thought maybe some of you might go negative 36. Negative 36 is not up. Negative 36 is further down the number line. So if this number here is greater than 5, it'll round your order of magnitude up. So the order of magnitude for this number here is a negative 34. If you look at the next one, 2e3, most of you know that that's just 2,000, right? So the order of magnitude for that is whatever the exponent is, and it would be 3. So it's 3, which means 2,000 is closer to 1,000 than it is to 100, which would have an order of magnitude of 2, or 10,000, which have an order of magnitude of 4. So it's closer to 1,000 than it is to 10,000. And finally, the last one, if I put this in scientific notation, it would be 6.42 e negative 1. So you might think, well, the exponent on the 10 is a negative 1. But you look at this number, and if it's greater than 5, you round up. So if I round this up, what's the next digit? It is a 0. The order of magnitude of this number here is 0. Well, what is 10 to the 0? 10 to the 0 equals 1, which means 0.642 is closer to 1 than it is to 0. It's not closer to 0, it's closer to 1. Okay, and that's order of magnitude. Basically, put inside notation, whatever's on the 10 is probably your answer, unless the number in front is greater than 5, and you'll have to round the order of magnitude up.